Hi all. In October 2025, a team of researchers at Ohio State University unveiled a prototype computer chip component made from mushrooms. Specifically, mushroom mycelium, which is the network of branching filaments that anchors mushrooms into soil. This chip component shows that dried, processed mycelium can be a memristor, or memory resistor, a key component of neuromorphic, or brain-inspired computers. A memristor can remember how much current has passed through it. That means even when the power is off, it retains information, much like the synapses of a brain. To create the fungal chips, the team grew button and shiitake mushroom mycelium on a nutrient substrate, dried the mycelium, and attached electrodes to it. When they applied a voltage, the myco-memristor showed electrical resistance that changed in predictable, repeatable ways, the hallmark of memristive behavior. And unlike the silicon mined for computer chips, mycelium can be harvested quickly, with zero mining required. And it can biodegrade, no e-waste, just compost. But one key challenge is stability, keeping the material functional and consistent over long periods without drying out or decaying. A solution is to use hybrid composites, mixing fungal fibers with biodegradable polymers to improve lifespan and electrical performance. Mycelium naturally grows into complex branching structures and conducts signals similarly to biological neurons, showing properties like plasticity and self-organization, the same features that make biological brains so powerful. Fungal electronics could eventually form self-organizing circuits and become the basis for living neural networks. Hybrid systems that blend biology and AI. Imagine living computers that are integrated directly into naturally occurring ecosystems, forming hybrid bio-digital systems, adapting and evolving like biological organisms. Because now AI doesn't have to be synthetic, it can be grown.